Hi there, I'm Coach Amanda, and this is my best pal Logan.
Welcome in a Food Chip Tuesday.
Today we're going to be making zucchini grilled cheese sandwiches, Food Tip Tuesday style.
Yes, and they're cooking right now.
They are cooking right now, so as soon as that beeps, I'm going to have to flip them around. But what we did so far was first we set our oven to 400 degrees. Next we lined our pan with parchment paper. It's just a regular cookie sheet. We rinsed off our zucchini, cut the ends off, and then we used a food processor to shred it up really fine. Then we put it into a muslin or a cheesecloth and we squeezed out all the extra water, and you helped with that, right? And we got all that extra water out of our zucchini because when it's nice and dry, it makes for the perfect bread. Then we put it into a bowl with our eggs, almond flour, Parmesan cheese, our spices, and our seasonings, and we mixed it all up. There's our oven. I'm gonna flip it around. Here's our zucchini bread about halfway through. It's a nice rectangle, and we're gonna get 4 sandwiches out of this, 4 tops and 4 bottoms, so it'll be 8 pieces. I'm just gonna flip it around. And that baked for 10 minutes just then, and now I'm gonna put it in for another 10 minutes, and it should be all done. So on to phase 2 of our grilled cheese made out of zucchini. What we're gonna do after we've cut out our 8 pieces of bread, we are going to put our choice of cheese in the middle of the 2 pieces for our sandwich. I'm going to use Munster cheese or American cheese. You can use whatever you like best. We're gonna use a non-stick griddle and grill our sandwiches for about 30 or 60 seconds per side. They are all done after that.
Ding, 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 ding.
Here you go, Logan. You can store these in the refrigerator for about 3 days. And as far as our nutrition facts goes on these, they're about 370 calories per sandwich, depending on your cheese. The carbs is about 10.5 grams of carbs. 24 grams of protein. That's a lot, right? That's good protein. 27 grams of fat, again, depending on your cheese. About 3.5 grams of fiber, and lastly, 6 sugars. So this is a pretty good lunch for 7 net carbs, right? Yeah. That is it for today. We hope that you enjoy them, and we'll see you again next week on Food Tip Tuesday.
Bye. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding.